to show you guys this microcurrent facial wand that I received from the company. This has been one of my favorite wands that I've received in a while. It's really nice because it will go hot and cold, and it really does like heat up. It works when you touch it, so you can feel like you can see how once it does, it gives this like current. I love this shape, so you can kind of get like right in there. And I also really like that it can get cold, and hot. So you can go back and forth without having to like worry about putting it in the freezer. It just does it on its own. So you can read about what the different lights do, but I just wanted to show you like it goes hot. I mean, I'm really happy with this. And then I love that it will go cold. I find that to be, oh, and there's the different colors. So you can see now it's yellow, which again, you can like read about. There's the green, and then there's the cold. I don't know if you could hear it. And I love that. I love that now it's cold, which I do find that helps my face. I can really see a difference for me. And again, you can read about the different benefits of the LED therapy and the hot and cold. It's rechargeable. It comes in like a really nice box, so you could give it as like a good gift if you want. I would definitely give this a try.